Hello and welcome everyone to this YouTube channel once again. So finally I can do the video for this one. This is a Fast and Furious premium fast import set. So this was the initial set was released early this year, but finally I managed to find this premium set in my local Kmart in Australia. Yeah, and I must say that I missed the first release of this set earlier this year, and thanks to almighty Hotwheels, they have decided to produce these premium boxed sets, if you're familiar with these ones. And Hotwheels has released Fast and Furious second and third releases as this sort of box sets, and then decided to release the first one, because this is the most popular version among all the Fast and Furious premium sets they have released so far. So, and another thing, guess what? This set is cheaper than the first release. So if you buy Hot Wheels premium cars, it's about $8 Australian in stores, but this whole set costs only $29. So one car will be cost about $5.08 sort of stuff. So it's pretty cool and pretty cheap and happy days. So another thing is, I feel sorry for scalpers and the people who bought this set from the scalpers. So I noticed this set was in eBay for eBay and other buy and sell groups for fortune. I was this close to buy a set, but guess what? I had some luck on the other day and I bought two sets. No, I bought three sets because I love these ones. I have no intention to sell. Maybe I'll do a giveaway one maybe in future. And I left behind so many sets for the other collectors as well. Alright, enough chit chat. So this is the box. So if you're familiar with this one, this is the premium type of box. You can see the Hot Wheels Fast and Furious premium logo, everything from a few other languages. Contains 5 vehicles, fast imports. This is the name of the first series, and you can see the artwork on sides. So you can see all 5 cars on sides. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4th one, and the 5th one. And on the back, all 5 cars and all these mumbo jumbo details. Alright, let's open this one. It comes with the seal version. Alright, done. And there you go. Wow. So initially I never thought I would be able to grab this set because it was like sold out like hotcakes. But anyway, I'm not that unlucky. Alright, here's the set. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 4th one and the 5th one. Wow, how good is this one? Wow, just let me enjoy the set first. Wow, beautiful artwork. Alright, let's open these ones. So number 1, this is Nissan Skyline GTR R34, everyone's favorite, So here's the back. You can see the card art and the rest of the series and all the mumbo jumbo licensing. And this car appears in Too Fast Too Furious movie. Yeah, and here's the front artwork, beautiful done. And if you closely check, you can see here's the other 4 in the background. So R34, this casting is very popular in Hot Wheels lineup, and they have done several Fast and Furious main lines, including main lines and including this casting. So let's open. I'll open it like this so I can, I can put it back in this plastic blister. All right. Whoa! Look at this. It has this new 6-spoke rear riders on it, and nice faded side decals, blue color spoiler. That's new. That's something new from the previous versions. Rear tail lights, number plates, Nissan logos, everything's there. Front light details, and see this faded artwork. And if you closely check, you can see the Canon and all these sponsor logos down there. Racing decals, signal lights. Oh, pretty cool casting, huh? One of my favorites, and it's heavy. It's metal on metal. Wow, beautiful, beautifully done. All right, let's move to the number 2. I'll keep this aside. All right, number 2 is Nissan Silvia S15, and here if you check here, there's the rest of the cars on the background. Cool. So if you check with the previous version, there it's different, So the Ford replaced by the Lamborghini, and Silvia comes out. Yep. All right, same thing. This covers on the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift movie. And if you guys can, I'll talk while opening this one. And if you guys can remember, this was the debut in Hot Wheels Premium Forza Motorsport series in blue color version. So this was like popular among the collectors in past year, and this was like awesome JDM casting. And look at this, beautiful with the 6-spoke silver color trims, wheels, and check these paint job and the decals. Very beautiful. And all these headlights, tail lights, Silvia logos, everything's there, you name it. Wow, beautiful. I love these 3 color tones. Blue goes with this pinky orange color, it's perfect. Wow, nice. Now I feel like watching the whole movie series again. All right, next, number 3. All right, again, check this background. It's just moved one step ahead, and this is 1970 Ford Escort Rs 1600. Again, we have seen this casting in twice in mainline series, and this is the premium version of the earlier version, and this one was in Fast and Furious 6 movie. And to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of Ford, and I'm not a huge fan of this Ford Escort casting. But it is what it is. But to be honest, compared with the previous versions, this is pretty cool with the rear riders. And check these details. Wow, pretty cool. It's good with the silver color base. Oh, nice. Very nice. Beautiful. Alright, let's move these ones here. Let's go to number 4. Wow, can you remember this car in the movie? Yep. Alright, this is Lamborghini Galado LP574 Superleggera. Did I pronounce it properly? Anyway, it was in the Fast and Furious 6 movie as well. And the different artwork here. Let's open. So we have seen this casting once before in mainline. So this is the premium version of the earlier casting. I think it's pretty similar to the previous version. You can see the engine details through these window piece, and tail lights in black, front lights. Love these racing real rider wheels on this casting. To be honest, I'm not a huge Lamborghini fan, but this looks pretty cool, isn't it? Nicely done. Good job. All right. Last but not least, my favorite in this set. This is and talking about this one, the 5th spot is for the new castings in premium sets in Hot Wheels. But we have seen this casting before releasing this one earlier this year. This was in the mainline series blue color version, if you guys can remember. So this is the first time it appears in the on the Hot Wheels premium series, so kind of debut. And this artwork, this was in Fast and Furious 7 movie. Right. Open. Whoa! Beautiful casting. This is super awesome with this jet black color and with the black rims, black wheels, and see these front and rear light details. Whoa! I'm so happy that Hot Wheels has decided to do this casting on the Fast and Furious lineup. Wow, what a beautiful car. See that? You can see the front grille details. Wow, beautiful. All right. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I will upload few photos on my Instagram page. Please subscribe me on Instagram, and don't forget to follow me and subscribe me on YouTube. Like, comment, share with friends, and let's meet with another video soon. All right, thank you guys, and hope if you guys are in Australia or some other countries, this will appear in your stores on your stores soon, or maybe it's already sold out. Anyway, all right, I'll see you with another video soon. Bye.